So this is the Neighbourhood Rider. It's got a 30-inch cutting deck, an 18-inch turning radius, and it's perfect for small lawns or properties, and it really fits through garden gates in small areas well, so it's very compact and versatile. So I'm excited to give this a test go. I think it's time to test out the Neighbourhood Rider. Okay, I've got a few thoughts on the Neighbourhood Rider. So this is the first ride-on lawnmower I've ever used, and I've given it a few tests out now. And I gotta say, it's super fast, super easy to use, and it really gives the grass a nice cut. I didn't want to cut it too short for the first few times because I didn't want to stress out the grass as it was growing in spring. But I think the lawn looks fantastic, and I can't wait to use this all summer long.